Hi guys, this is Pravas and we are back at my free-to-play account at day 6. As you can see here, I'm still at day 6. I have claimed my lifesteal pace as you know in my last video. Check out my last video if you didn't see that one. I pulled some champions uh, from Ensign's art. Apart from that, I have rebuilt my each and every character that I had. Kale is now in lifesteal set as well as in accuracy set. You can see his stats. I won't go in details. You can pause and see it. Main thing to focus on is the speed, which is now 135. My War Maiden has higher speed than him, which is 142. And her accuracy is about 48. Apart from that, I have my pit spawn is not built anymore. Instead, I have built my Berserker, which has 126 speed. It can go higher. I haven't been able to upgrade my boots. And my Spirit Host is my fastest at 150 speed. I have leveled some characters, my veteran, Banshee, and Arcanist, I suppose her name is. Okay, I don't have so. Yeah, Arcanist. I have leveled her up, but I haven't built her. I will show you my runs in my campaign. And I am farming now stage 12 3 for my speed booster, which is Diabolist. She is very good. If I was hoping to pull an apothecary or something, apothecary was my primary concern. I was hoping that I could get an apothecary, so I didn't get one, so I have to farm her so I can get at least one speed boost champion in my team. Right now my team is lacking a speed booster. The run looks like something like this. My Kale has now lesser crit rate and crit damage as well as attack, so he will not one-shot one-shot the enemy, but he can survive the fight. Okay, pit spawn is helping him. He's not built. I was just leveling him up to 40. I will show you a different run without pit spawn in it. Okay, he's dead. I have kept my resistance high just because Lord Caesar in this level places bombs on you, and I don't want to get that bombs on me. That's why my resistance is so high. As you can see, I resisted both the bombs, and that's why I can clear it easily. Let's put some fresh champions so you can see. This he's slow, he's tanky, and he doesn't have much damage, but he can clear this level. Well, took around 1 minute, but he can clear it, and he will consistently clear it. So that's out of the way, and I will show you my clan boss team. Uh, I reached the bronze 3, but right now I have put just my kill on defense so I can farm my Great Hall. I have used one of my keys. As you can see, the damage is around 1k, which is just below 1 key. So this is the champions I am using. I still haven't built my veteran. Once I build him, I think War Maiden will replace my veteran, or maybe Outlaw Monk will replace my veteran. But Outlaw Monk is so good. He places 2 poisons on his A2 or A3, I suppose. I don't know. Outlaw Monk is right now not performing that well for me. Maybe he's way too low level or his gear is not that great. But he can tank a hit. Maybe if I put him in lifesteal gear, he can perform better. At that point, I will ditch my War Priest. Once I farm my Diabolist, I will start farming dragons, and then maybe I can get a decent lifesteal pieces for my clan boss team. We are already crossed 1 minute. As you can see, my Kale is faster than Clan Boss, so he can take 2 turns of 1 turn, and the key is around 1.07 million, which was, I think this was a better run, but as you can see, my Kale has done around 90% of the damage in the Clan Boss, and I can easily get 1 key out of my team if I build my Outlaw Monk in lifesteal sets. I can easily 1 key the clan boss. But for now, I am just farming for my Diabolist, and I will show you a run in my dragons and which team I am using right now. As you saw, my pit spawn is not built anymore. Instead, I am using Berserker. This team is pretty consistent for this sort of level. and it's done. Uh, and yeah, apart from that, I am just at the quest where I need to defeat 35 champions in arena, and that's the reason I am dropping my trophies so I can farm it easily, as well as my great hall. And I am at 67. I have completed 67 of my missions and really close to 300 gems. I already have 600 gems which I got from missions and other stuffs, and I also got an ancient sword from, I suppose, my missions, right around here. Yeah, I got one from here. So yeah, and this is how much I have progressed thus far, and I can farm the later stages of hard as well as earlier stages of normal. Uh, I think I covered most of the stuff in this video, so I will see you in next one. Bye.